With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a pendulum is suspended in a lift and its period of the oscillation when the lift is stationary at TA. So what must be the acceleration of the lift for the period of oscillation of pendulum to T0 by 2? So we have A, B, C, D option are given here. So we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is, we have the time period when lift is stationary. So we can write here time period when lift is stationary. So this is T0. This must be T0 here, so that it is given to us in the T0 term. And the final time period is T0 divided by 2. So the acceleration of the lift. So let us suppose we can draw here lift. So let us suppose this is our lift and it is at rest. So acceleration due to gravity is acting in downward direction. So we know that the time period T0, initial time period, is 2 pi under root L, length of the lift, divided by G. And we have the final time period, that is final time period. Let's suppose this is T2. So this is equals to 2 pi under root L divided by G, and we have the T2 is, and this is G dash. So this is T0 divided by 2, and this is 2 pi under root L divided by G dash. So this is under root L divided by G dash. So if we put the value of T0 here, so we can write here 2 pi under root L divided by G, and this is divided by 2 is equals to 2 pi under root L divided by G dash. So 2 pi and 2 pi will cancel out. So we get this is 1 by 2 under root L divided by G, and this is pi also cancel out. So this is L divided by G dash. So from this we can write here, if we cancel out, under root L will cancel out. So we left with only 1 divided by 2 under root G is equals to 1 divided by under root G dash. So by squaring both sides we get 4G. 1 divided by 4G is G dash. So we get G dash is 4 times of acceleration due to gravity. So resultant acceleration will be so 4G is acting in this direction upward and the G is acting downward. So this will become 4G minus G, that is 3G, and this is acting upward, and this is the answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option C is correct. C is downward. So our option D is correct. 3G upward. So this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.